Hello and welcome to yet another video on my channel. Today we are going to talk about Groove Funnels templates. And if you're new to this channel, I would request you to kindly hit the subscribe button and also like this video. It will help me to grow my channel greatly. Thank you so much. So this is my screen inside Groove Funnels as soon as I log in. And before we head to the templates, I would just want to say that if you are new to Groove Funnels, I would highly encourage you to join their Facebook group and also to go through all their tutorials and also attend their webinar trainings, which are live, which happen sometimes more than twice in a week. And it's not just training about Groove Funnels itself, but also training about marketing, about copywriting, how you can earn money from Groove pages. Everything is right there in the Facebook group and in the webinar trainings and their tutorials. And they also have a Groove Digital Academy. There is lots of information to learn and implement. So let's quickly jump into Groove pages because that's where our templates are going to be. And these are all the websites that I have built. This is the latest one that I built yesterday. And this is based on a template. Normally, I start with a blank template, but this one I created last night with the help of a template. So let's look at some of the templates that one gets. So if we click on new site, this is a whole list of different templates. Now, if you're looking for a particular kind of genre, I say genre because I'm a musician, but if you're looking for a particular kind of business, let's say health and fitness, they're all categorized according to the kinds of templates that there are, because I think as they keep adding more and more and more templates, it's going to be really cumbersome to scroll through the whole list without any kind of categorization. So if we click on health and fitness, these are two actually templates for health and fitness. If we also click yoga and then deselect health and fitness, uh, okay, so there's only one yoga template for now. I remember having more, but okay, let's look at a couple of others. If you want to have lead generation templates, then there are these. Then there's an opt-in template. All right. So, okay, it's really bothering me that there are not many. Okay, so there is one yoga template here as well, but I don't know why it's not showing up in the categorization. Of course, there are some more yoga templates here and here. There are actually lots of them, but maybe the categories are a little off. Let's try something else. What if you are looking at a thank you page? A lot of times, you want to have like great page as a thank you page where you can probably also lead them somewhere else, maybe to your blog or maybe somewhere else. So these are all the options that you have just to build a thank you page. These are also, I must tell you that these are all premium templates. So if you are an upgraded member, you will get all of them. But if you are a free member, you get slightly lesser number of templates, obviously. um, there is also a contest like a yoga challenge template here. Let's look at something more interesting, maybe. What do you think about? Okay, it's very difficult to make up my mind. How about a digital product? Okay, so what if we select this? Um, we name this as digital info product and we say start building, and it will load that entire template up. Now, building a web page or a landing page or a multi-page website even is really really simple with Groove Funnels. So we can change every single aspect of everything, including the colors, the buttons, and figure out where they will land, change the text, of course, change or delete or add some other elements to it. For example, if you do not want this top bar, for instance, and if you have an offer going on, you could delete this whole thing and instead add something else. For example, let's go to a wireframe block and look at an alert bar or a call to action. Okay, so let's look at some alert bars. Okay, I don't know why this has added its on its own. Okay, so first things first, we delete this block entirely. We go to wireframe, we choose alert bars, and if we want something with, for example, a countdown timer, that option also we have here. Just drag and drop it, and we can configure what we want the countdown timer to do. Countdown to, for example, 19th October at 12 at night. That's when the groove launch officially ends also. So when the countdown reaches zero, what can you do? You could redirect them to go to another URL or add 24 hours to it or do nothing. So let's say we do nothing and we update this, it starts counting down immediately. And on the top, we could say limited time offer. And if you want to change the background, you could change the background very easily. You could change either from any of these available colors over here. Okay, that looks terrible, but and then we can change the text here to white, or we could change the background actually to something a little less stark, maybe something like that. Now you can change the colors on everything. You can actually take this color out entirely and reveal the photo at the back. Now if you do not like the photo at the back, also you can change the entire background for it. Just hit choose image, and the best part is that you have free stock photos here in GrooveFunnel. So if you choose, for example, entrepreneur, you will get all these different images of people talking, people doing business. If you hit load more images, even more images will come up. Okay, for example, let's choose this one: an entrepreneur reading Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson while also sipping on a 80/20 Pareto principle coffee mug. All right, so we select, it loads up, and that's it. There you go. Now I can see that the text over here, it's clashing with the background. So to create a certain distance between the background and the photo at the back, we could add uh, a colored background and then adjust the transparency for that. Can you see that? So if I make the transparency less, you can see that the background at the back sort of fades in comparison to the text on the foreground. We can also choose this text, for example, and create a little shading effect for it. We could have it's slightly raised up, but of course it's not seen here right now because of the background. But you get the idea that literally every element of everything can be changed. For example, if this doesn't have a background, we could put a background here as well. Either we could merely change the color, or if you want something more, I have these backgrounds that I have actually downloaded from Canva in 1920 into 1080 resolution, and I just select them. And okay, so it's not showing up right now because we have the pink color right on top of it. So if we were to remove it, it will reveal the background that we just put. So this background was made entirely in Canva, and if you would like me to do that, show you how you can use it, please let me know, and I can help you do that as well. And then, of course, as usual, we can change all the colors here, and that's it. So this is how you can change everything inside the template and make it your own. And while we are on the topic, let me quickly show you what I have done with a website that I created inside Groove Pages entirely, and I'm using it as my affiliate landing page. So that's how it looks. So there's an alert bar on top, and I created this entirely from scratch from a blank template. There's a button over here that takes us to the Groove Funnels homepage. There's an image here, and again a call to action. There's a alert bar here again, a list which says everything about Groove Funnels, and of course the limited time bonuses that are on offer right now till the 18th of October. Again, there is this stock image with the same 80/20 mug that we were talking about. It's right here. And again, one call to action, testimonial section. So all this is available right here in the wireframe blocks. Can you see? There is an entire section full of testimonials, and the one that I chose for this one was this, in fact, this guy. So it's the same one here, and another call to action and a footer on the bottom. This also you can literally drag and drop. There are footers, there are lots of kinds of footers here. Some footers have a call to action or a subscribe button here as well. So Groove is a ready to go page builder. It's extremely good for SEO, and the Groove templates are really, really helpful to get you started building sites for you, or to start earning money by building sites for other customers. So I hope that this was helpful. And if you need an in depth video on how I create backgrounds in Canva to be used inside group pages, do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And again, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also consider subscribing. It would be a huge help to my channel. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you very soon.